I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with a W-2 form. First, ensure you have your W-2, which details your yearly earnings and the taxes already paid. Next, collect all other relevant financial documents like interest statements or deduction records. Then, decide if you will use tax software, hire a professional, or manually complete the paper forms. This initial preparation is key for a smooth filing process. Your W-2 form contains crucial information for your tax return. Box 1 displays your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation. Box 2 shows the federal income tax your employer withheld throughout the year. Boxes 3 through 6 provide details on your Social Security and Medicare wages and the corresponding taxes withheld. Understanding these boxes helps you accurately report your income and credits. After understanding your W-2, focus on deductions and credits to potentially increase your refund. Identify any eligible deductions that can lower your taxable income, such as student loan interest or IRA contributions. Then, claim all applicable tax credits, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Carefully compare the standard deduction versus itemized deductions to choose the option that benefits you most. This step is vital for optimizing your return. Once you've completed your return, meticulously review all entries for accuracy to avoid errors or delays. If you are due a refund, opt for direct deposit. It's the quickest way to receive your money, often within 21 days. Remember to keep copies of all your tax documents for at least 3 years. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, submit your return by the deadline to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.